55. I've never seen anything like this in my entire life. I just seen thunder and lightning. Or seen a big lightning strike and heard thunder. I'm 2.5 blocks from my house. I went off the road twice. Sorry, I got a cigarette in my mouth. Went off the road twice. And there's a snowplow. I'm terrified that he can't see me, but my lights are on. But, I mean, I've never seen anything like this. If you don't have the lights on around you, you can't see anything. My son is stuck at work at Dairy Queen. I came out an hour and a half ago to let my dog out and almost took her for a walk because it was so nice. Now look. This is me driving my car. With my brights on, or with my lights on. My brights are worse. I mean, this is insanity. For real, it's insanity.